Here I've got Nokia 7.2 and let me show you how to change the storage on the following device. So if you are curious how many storage you have left, just open the list of all apps, then find and select the settings, scroll down a bit and here you will notice storage icon. Smoothly click on it and as you can see here you've got the used storage and you can also free up some space if you will click on free up some space, and also right here you can see the percentage. So this is the storage that is in use and this is the storage that has left. So as you can see we've got actually plenty of space here. Of course you can check the particular applications, so for example games takes 6.7, system 12, and actually that's all. We've got other apps and that's only 1.1. So this is it, this is how you can check it, and that would be all. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.